I've been getting requests for easy recipes. I thought my recipes were easy enough, but I guess not. So today we're doing something easy, delicious, and decadent. Let's get to it. Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we're working on shrimp and grits. This is a very easy recipe and it's very delicious. Seems to be pretty popular. Again, I've been getting requests. People have been saying that they want something that's easy or easier than what I've been doing. So that's what we're gonna do. Just a few ingredients, simple preparation. Doesn't take a super long time, and it's something that anyone can pull off. But this dish is decadent. If you love shrimp, if you love, cheesy, creamy, beautifully cooked grits, this is the dish for you. So let's go. Here's what we'll need. I have a half pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, Old Bay seasoning, I have a half a cup of butter, a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup of old-fashioned grits, don't use the instant ones, canola oil, fresh cracked black pepper, and I have 4 cups of chicken stock heating up on the stove behind me. Let's make some grits. Start by bringing the chicken stock up to a boil. Once you do, you want to gradually whisk in the grits. A whisk is the best tool to use here, but if you don't have one, just use a good strong fork. But take your time, stir this up well, and again, gradually add that stuff so it doesn't clump up on you. Once you bring it up to a boil, put a lid on, move it to a low burner for 20 minutes. All right, it's been 20 minutes, our grits are all cooked. Now let's add our half cup of butter. Now you want to make sure you stir this really well. You don't want any chunks of butter. You want to make sure it's all melted, all mixed in together. It should be creamy and fluffy at this point. Now it's time for the cheese. We're going to add half the cheese. And again, get it stirred well. You don't want to see any streaks or any chunks of cheese. It should just be one big smooth pot of grits. Once you got that done, add the rest. And again, stir it all up until it's completely incorporated. You don't want to see any streaks or shreds or chunks. Get it nice and smooth. Now we'll add black pepper. Just add it to taste. And you can go easy because you can always add more later. And again, get it all mixed up well. You want to put a lid on this. Once you get it all mixed up, keep it warm. Put it off to the side and let's get ready to make some shrimp. So I've got a nice heavy skillet I'm heating up over medium heat. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. We're going to get our shrimp in. You want to get these in, you make sure you don't crowd the pan. If you crowd the pan, they're just going to steam up and you won't get the nice browning. So again, spread them out. We're going to cook these for about 90 seconds on each side. All right, it's been 90 seconds. It's time to flip all these over. Getting some beautiful browning and beautiful orange and red colors from these shrimp. That's what we're looking for. So pretty simple here. Just flip them over another 90 seconds. And if you have too many shrimp or your skillet is too small, you can always do this in batches. All right, our 90 seconds is up. I'm gonna hit each shrimp with just a dash of Old Bay seasoning. You don't need to do this on both sides. Old Bay is pretty strong, a little goes a long way, and these are just shrimp. They're not a big piece of meat or anything. So just mix them around. That'll get them seasoned up really well. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water here just to deglaze the pan. Stir it around, get up all those brown bits. Tons of flavor there in that pan. And once you have it deglazed, you want to pull this off the heat and we'll get ready to serve. All right, y'all, so like I said, quick and easy. Here's the final product. Let's get into it. Yes. Grits are super cheesy, creamy. Get some shrimp in there. The Old Bay on that shrimp really, that hits it. So I garnish mine with little green onions, just a sprinkle of Old Bay on top. That's the way I recommend it, but this is really, really good. So I made this for lunch. You can do this breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, however you want to do it. It's quick and easy. Anybody can do it. So y'all do me a favor. Click that bell, click that subscribe button. Hopefully by the time you do that, I'll finish chewing. But if you have any requests, any suggestions, y'all, please leave it in the comments for me. And again, y'all, everybody stay safe. Stay home. Let's get this thing knocked out. And I wish good eating to y'all. Take it easy.